Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to find Binance promo code. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. For this video, I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search for www.couponchef.com. Now you will be led to this kind of interface, and at the top you can see the search icon. You can simply tap over there and search for Binance. After you are done, there you can see the first option, save 20% off. You can simply tap on that. And now here you can see the various coupon offers will be presented. Now you need to choose the one according to your preference. For this video, I will go for /20% off your Binance trades. Now simply tap on get promo code. Now a promo code will be presented. Now all you need to do is copy this code. Now you need to paste the code when you check out at Binance application. You can also enter the email address at the downside and you will be receiving awesome deals like these in your inbox for free. And this is how you can find Binance promo code. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.